Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a cookware set that promises a lot of bang for your buck, and in a rather cheerful color. We're talking about the GreenLife 16-piece non-stick cookware set in a vibrant yellow. This set aims to be your all-in-one solution for everyday cooking, from delicate omelets to hearty stews. Let's break down what makes this set tick. First off, the sheer volume of pieces you get is impressive. A 16-piece set is quite substantial, and it includes a good variety of essentials. You've got your standard frying pans, including a surprisingly small 4-inch mini pan, which is perfect for single servings or just warming something up. Then there are 7-inch and 9.5-inch frying pans for more general cooking. Saucepans are covered with a 1-quart and a 2-quart size, both with lids, ideal for boiling pasta, making sauces, or reheating leftovers. A 5-quart stock pot is your go-to for soups, chili, or larger batches of grains. And the 2.5-quart sauté pan with a lid is a really versatile piece for searing, sautéing, and even shallow frying. Beyond the pots and pans, you also get a 7-inch stainless steel steamer, which is a great addition for healthy cooking, and a set of 4 kitchen utensils. So, on paper, this set covers a lot of bases and should equip most home kitchens. Now, let's talk about the star feature, the non-stick coating. GreenLife emphasizes its toxin-free ceramic non-stick. This means it's free from PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium, which is a huge plus for anyone concerned about healthier cooking. They claim it's made from sand and produces less CO2 emissions during manufacturing compared to traditional coatings. The idea here is easy food release and effortless cleanup, and from my experience, this is where ceramic non-stick often shines. You should find that food slides right off, making washing up a breeze. Comfort and safety are also clearly a priority with this set. The soft grip Bakelite handles are designed to stay cool on the stovetop, which is a critical feature for any cookware. No more reaching for oven mitts just to move a pan. This feature alone makes a significant difference in the daily cooking experience, preventing burns and allowing for better control. Another important aspect for durability and performance is the base. GreenLife highlights reinforced bases for even heating and a wobble-free construction. This means the pans should sit flat on your stovetop, ensuring consistent heat distribution. Uneven heating is a common frustration in cooking, leading to hot spots and burnt food. A stable, well-constructed base aims to mitigate that. Cleanup, as mentioned, is designed to be easy. The rivetless interiors are a smart design choice. Rivets inside a pan can trap food particles and be difficult to clean. By eliminating them, wiping down the inside becomes much simpler. While the set is advertised as dishwasher safe, hand washing is always recommended for preserving the longevity of non-stick coatings, and GreenLife does suggest this as a gentler option. The tempered glass lids are another practical element. They allow you to monitor your cooking without lifting the lid, which helps to retain heat and moisture. This is particularly useful when simmering sauces or braising meats. The lids are also designed to fit snugly, further aiding in efficient cooking. In terms of stovetop compatibility, this set works on all stovetops induction. So, if you have an induction cooktop, this set won't be compatible. It is, however, oven-safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which adds a layer of versatility for finishing dishes or keeping them warm. And a nice touch is that the cookware vessels are made with a minimum of 65% recycled materials, aligning with a more sustainable approach to kitchenware. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons. The pros are clear: it's a comprehensive 16-piece set, offering a lot of value for the price. The non-toxic ceramic coating is a significant health benefit. The stay-cool handles and reinforced bases contribute to a safer and more consistent cooking experience. The easy-to-clean interiors and dishwasher-safe nature add to the convenience. The vibrant color also adds a bit of personality to the kitchen. However, there are some potential cons to consider. While the non-stick is good, ceramic non-stick coatings, in general, may not be as durable or long-lasting as some other types of non-stick. The oven-safe temperature is limited to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which might be a constraint for some recipes that require higher oven temperatures. And, as noted, it's not induction compatible. The 4-inch mini pan, while included, is quite small and might have limited practical use for many people. Overall, the GreenLife 16-piece non-stick cookware set is a solid option for everyday cooks looking for a complete, budget-friendly, and health-conscious cookware solution. It prioritizes ease of use, safety, and a touch of cheerful design. If you're not cooking at very high oven temperatures or using an induction stovetop, this set offers a lot of functionality for its price point. Link in the description.